Hi, this is Lisa from Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to share how you can mute people in the Triberr stream. A lot of times you may belong to a tribe that has people in different niches, and you may not want to share their content out. So what you have to do is click over their profile, and as you do this, you just hover. You can see if they've done anything. And she hasn't been sharing anything of mine, hasn't shared anything of anyone. So I'm just going to mute this one, and then it says, do you want to mute all posts? And then you can go, here's another one that's a recipe, and I'm going to do the same thing there to mute. That'll save you time in the long run. Others, you may want to check out what they're sharing, what they're not sharing. This particular one has nothing related to my niche. And she hasn't shared any of my posts, and doesn't look like she's shared too many. So those are the things I look for when I'm going through the Triberr stream to see what's relevant and what's not. Here's another one with a book. And they haven't done any of mine, so I'm going to mute them as well. And of course, the ones that are in your niche, I'm kind of going back and forth here so you can see some different ones. I think this one I like, from Carolyn. She's been a long time fellow blogger, and you can see she hasn't done too much, but she has shared my stuff in the past. So that's how you can check, is just by looking at those stats, and she's done some of mine, Chantel. So if hers are relevant, I will share them. So that's how you can go through and check out some of the options there. Also, if you were to click over here, you can edit the share text if you wanted to get rid of some of those extra hashtags. Promote is usually you do that on your own. So you do have some options there. So I just wanted you to be aware that you can mute folks just like you do on Twitter. You can do it right here in the stream. This one I've never seen before. And it's just a hover. You don't click, because if you click it takes you somewhere else. This is the third try, my third attempt here at this video. So just so you can see, if you click on it, it's a whole different action. You'll see it's actually going to wait to go over. And it just gives you their information. You can invite them to a tribe. You can follow them. I might invite him to my Build a Tribe, because he's a blogger, freelance writer, and also my Inspiring Blogger. Someone new that's on Triberr. So that's how you can manage your Triberr stream. I don't like to do the automatic ones because there's so many folks in different tribes that are not in my particular niche, and I recommend that for you too. Usually I spend 5-10 minutes a day just going through this. You can do it on your phone as well. And I don't know if you're aware, have you ever looked at the stats? The stats can be very interesting for you. And this is one that I actually did do a little promotion on. And you can see it was shared 26 times. It's waiting 500 other shares. Total clicks 473. So you can check your stats on here as well. So I hope this helps you with using your Triberr. And if you have any questions, do let me know.